In this video, I'm going to show you another potential winning product and do some competitor content and local supply research. Let's play the video. As you can see, it's a lunch cup where whenever you need to separate two different kind of ingredients or food types, then you can use this lunch cup whenever you are on the go, or probably you can use it for your children as well. Okay, let's do some competitor research, and for that we have to click on this button and go to the Shopify tab. As we can see, there is no prominent dropshipper currently selling this product and using these images. Okay, let's do some content research, and for that we have to take the title of this product and go to Super Elite dashboard and paste the title here. Select videos only. In the advanced filter, select import date as all time and hit search. Now we are going to get some content ideas here. As you can see, all these listings have some sort of a content because as it is showing here, it has videos in it. Okay, and you can keep scrolling down and you will find more and more listings. Like, more listings are here. It's not perfectly aligned right now, but you get the idea, right? And for the local supply research, you have to do the same thing. Get rid of the videos only part, and in the shipping zone, select United States and hit search. You can select other listed countries as well, and if there are suppliers from those countries, then you will be able to find them as well. Okay, as you can see, we have quite a few listings which are shipping from United States as well. Okay, so that's about it, and if you understand this market well, then definitely go ahead, give this product a try, and let me know how this works out for you, and I'll see you in the next video.